Collisions in machining are costly, both in terms of physical repair and lost production time. So you need your CAM software to provide you with the tools you need to avoid collisions before your programs run on your machine. Autodesk FeatureCAM therefore has a selection of collision avoidance tools to inspire confidence in your part programming. Automatic tool selection uses a variety of attributes to check the exposed length from the holder and the tool shank are sufficiently clear to safely cut your features. Depending upon this, the automatically selected tool will change, reducing the chance of collisions. When milling, areas of the model you do not wish to be machined in a particular operation can be set as collision check surfaces, deliberately restricting the tool from entering those regions. Small toolpath segments, for example in pockets where there is limited movement of the cutting tool, can be removed to prevent potential damage of non-center cutting tools against unmachined material. Toolpath segments can be trimmed to avoid potential collisions with the tool shank and holder during the calculation. This option checks against the part, automatically trimming toolpath segments which collide or come close to collision with the part. When using a multi-axis machine, automatic collision tilting will utilize the additional rotary axes of the machine to automatically tilt the tool away from the part, avoiding potential collisions and making the programming of complex parts safer and easier.